So in this lesson, I'm going to be going over the new Google Sites. Taking my cursor to the Google Apps icon, I'm going to look for Sites, which looks like this. If you do not have this up, you might need to click More and scroll down a little bit to find it. When you get to the next page, go ahead and click New Sites. This is what the next page is going to look like in Google Sites. These are some pre-made templates. If you want to see more, just click Template Gallery, and you have your choice of using something that's pre-made. There's even a restaurant one right there. Otherwise, let's select blank. So when you click blank, it's going to take you to this, and this is your first page. It'll be your home page. So right here, you can go ahead and title your Google site. I would use whatever the name of your restaurant is. Let me go ahead and type something out. This doesn't have to be your final website name, but just something to work with. And then as you see, it already creates it right there, and that's where you can add in your logo. This is your header, and this is the title of your website that you could put right here. So let me do that. Okay, and let me finish typing this out. As you can see, this is very similar to how Google Docs works. So you can go ahead and align it center, you can italicize, bold. There's more editing options over here. And if you look off to the side right here, these are the different layouts and buttons that you can put on your homepage. Next, let's go over creating a new web page. Next to insert is pages. We were on the home page, but to add more pages, you just click the plus. And I'm going to select new page. I need to make at least 2 other web pages, so I'm going to do that right now. Select flavors. The other one I think I mapped out is location, so let me type that out here. And done. In addition to my other 2 web pages, I wanted to do a third one, so I'm going to type this one out right here. And as soon as I'm done with that, say you don't like the order, you can always click and drag, and it'll change the order right here in your primary navigation as well. So when you click home, flavors, social media, location, it'll take you to all of those different web pages. And to finish up my setup, I'm just going to lay out the rest of my web pages. So I'm going to go back to the insert page right here, and I'm going to think about this page and pick out the layouts that make the most sense to me. You don't have to use these layouts either. You can create your own, or you can even use some from the bottom area, like a collapsible text, table of contents. I do encourage you play around with some of these buttons. So another thing that you can do, so say you select the layout, but you don't want your photo here, you can just click and drag and you can move it around. So I'm going to put it right here. And from there you can fill in your information, as well as if you click the plus, you can put in a calendar, a map, anything that you wish. So that's that. Last but not least, let's set up our footer. So at the very bottom of the page, you can click Add Footer and type in whatever it is that you want to put down for your footer. So you can change this later. I'm just doing this for right now. And click out. And look, when you go to every other web page, it's still there. And that's that. You should have the beginnings of your website. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a loop mail, or you can leave me a comment on this post in Google Classroom, or even request a one-to-one Google Meet check-in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Haha, I'm just kidding. But for real though, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.